Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. This tutorial is on manage parameters in Power Query. In Power Query, parameters are powerful tools that make your queries flexible and dynamic. Instead of hard coding values like file paths, regions, or product names, you can define them once as parameters and reuse them across multiple steps and queries. In this video, we will walk you through the manage parameter function, including how to create new parameters, edit existing ones, and use them to filter data based on user input or external values. So let's get started and see how parameters can make your Power Query work smarter and more adaptable.
Today we shall discuss about manage parameter function shown within the red border. In Power Query, parameters are reusable values that allow you to make your queries more flexible and dynamic. They act like variables that can be defined once and then referenced in multiple places within your Power Query transformations. Parameters are especially useful when you need to change a value, like a file path, date, or filter condition, without hard coding into your queries, making your work more adaptable and easier to maintain. Key features of parameters in Power Query. Reusable. Define a value once and use it in multiple queries or steps. Editable. You can modify the parameter value without altering the query logic. Dynamic. Parameters can be tied to user inputs, external sources, or even other queries. Manage parameters has 3 drop-down sub-options. Manage parameters. Edit parameters. New parameter. We shall first talk about new parameter option. We have a table showing region-wise sales of electronic items, and we shall create a parameter to sort out sales as per region. Click Manage Parameter and then select New Parameter. In the name box, input region. In the description box, you can give purpose for which you are creating the parameter. The required checkbox already pre-ticked, and keep it like that way. Required checkbox determines whether a parameter must have a value assigned to it before the query can execute successfully. It's a way to enforce that a parameter isn't left blank or null, which can be critical depending on how the parameter is used in your transformations. Significance of the required checkbox ensures a value is provided. When checked, the parameter cannot be empty. Power Query will prompt the user to supply a value if none is set, preventing errors in downstream steps that rely on the parameter. If unchecked, the parameter can be left blank, and your query needs to handle that scenario explicitly. In the type box, select text. In the suggested values, keep any value. In the current value input, north, click OK. Your first parameter is ready. Now we shall create a second parameter based on subproducts. Again, click Manage Parameters and then click New Parameter. A pop-up box will open. In the name box, input subproduct. Choose text from the drop-down in type box. In current value box, input laptop. Finally, click OK. The second parameter is ready. Now we shall see practical example of parameters. Go to Region column and click the downward arrow key. Click Text Filters. Select Equals to. A pop-up box will open. Click the second column of the first row. From the drop-down, select Parameters option. In the last column, choose Region. Click OK. The table is filtered for North region. Now we shall further filter using subproduct. Click the downward arrow of subproduct column. Choose Text Filter. Click Equals. A pop-up box will open. Click the second column of the first row. Choose Parameters. In the last column, choose subproduct. Click OK. The data is further filtered with a subproduct being laptop. Now we shall see Edit Parameters option. Click Manage Parameters and then select Edit Parameters. A pop-up box will open. It will give you the option of changing the values of each of the parameters created. Here we shall change the region. Input East. Click OK. Go to Refresh Preview to see the effects of changes. You will observe that region column is changed to East. Now we shall change the second parameter. Click Manage Parameters and then Edit Parameters. In the subproduct Input Smartphone, click OK. Go to Refresh Preview and click it to see the changes. We shall now discuss about the suggested value drop-down options in Manage Parameters. First, we shall take List option. Go to Manage Parameters and click New Parameters. Input subproduct 1 in the name box. Choose Test in the type box. In the suggested value box, choose List from the drop-down. Power Query will request you input the list of values. Input Laptop as the first value. Input Smartphone as the second value. Input default value from the drop-down. Input the current value from the drop-down. Click OK. You have the new parameter ready. Now, let us test it. Select the table. Click the down arrow of subproduct. Select Text Filter and then Equals. A pop-up box will open. Click the second column of the first row. Select Parameter. In the third column, select Subproduct 1 from the drop-down list of parameter. Click OK. You will have table filtered as per the parameter. Now we shall see how to use queries as suggested values in building parameters. To create a new query, select the table. Right-click. Choose Duplicate. A duplicate table is generated. Select the column you want to convert into list. In this case, it is region. Go to Remove Columns. Select Other Columns. Only region column will remain. Select Remove Rows. From the drop-down, select Remove Duplicate. All the duplicates in the column are removed. Go to Transform tab. Convert to List. The table is converted to list. Now we shall see how to build a parameter using this query. Go to Manage Parameters and select New Parameter. A pop-up box will open. Input region in the name box. In the type box, select Text. In the suggested value box, choose Query. A query drop box will open. Select the query you want to use. Input the current value. Click OK once you're finished. The new parameter is ready. Now we shall use the new parameter. Select the table. Select the column you want to filter. Select the right drop-down. Select Text Filter and then Equals. Select the second column of the first row. Select Parameters from the drop-down. In the third column, select the query, in this case region. Click OK when finished. You will observe the table is filtered as per the parameter. You can change the current value. Select the query. In the current value box, Input East, you will find the changes are reflected in the main table. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.